Are you tired of copyright strikes running your videos? In this quick tutorial, I will show you where to get free, safe and high quality music and sound effects for your content. No copyright strikes and no stress. Now, the first resources we are going to be looking into is the YouTube audio library. As a content creator, you can find this on your YouTube studio. Scroll down a bit and you would find the YouTube audio library, which looks like this. I will drop a link in the description to help you find it faster. The YouTube audio library has a vast range of music you can use for your video upload. You can play them to preview, you can style your favorite, you can browse to different genres of songs for different moods by various artists with sizable duration for any length of video. It is important to note or mention that the YouTube audio library is 100% safe. It is licensed by YouTube and can be used on monetized channels or startups. While most beginners might overlook the library, it is 100% guaranteed that you won't get a copyright issue or strike while using any music from the library, either now or in the future. The library has a long list of songs you can choose from, and it is updated almost every time. It requires no attribution and you don't need to shout out to any artist. It is free to use and you can always count on it. Our next resource would be Pixabay. You can check the link in my description to help you locate the music section on the website faster. Pixabay has hundreds of thousands of music and sound effects that you can add to your YouTube videos. There are different genres of music: calm, chill, lo-fi, and they are all suitable for blogs, background music or filmmaking. The music are free to use with no attribution needed, and they are so calming, so soothing, and you can find different genres of music and they are all amazing, guys. Trust me, they are spot on. However, it is important to look out for this icon present on every song. For a few of them, the icon doesn't exist. This means that you can use them without attribution for free. On the other hand, there are some which have content ID claim. This typically appears shortly after uploading your video. But don't be scared. A content ID notice does not mean a copyright strike or that copyright has been infringed. It does not necessarily restrict you from using the music, and there is always a way around it. Simply comment Pixabay if you want me to make a video about it. All you have to do if you wish to use the music with a content ID claim is to click on download to download the music, click on download license certificate, log in with your email and it will be downloaded on your PC. You can use the license certificate to dispute the claim when the notice appears and use the content for free. Our final resource for free YouTube music without copyright claim, which is also my favorite, is Chosic. It is the best for me so far, and you can find the link on my description. It has the best music library and sound effects. The sound can be used for background audios, cinematic film, TikTok and Instagram reels, and YouTube videos and vlog. All you need to do is to click on download, click on free download next, and copy the text by clicking on copy to copy attributions that you can simply paste on your description during your video upload. A quick one to always remember is to double check license on this platform or any other platforms that you might be downloading from. Always credit artists when necessary, and finally, avoid free music from unknown sources. As always, it has been an absolute pleasure being of help to you guys. Like, share and comment if you find this content very helpful. Do well to watch the next video on the best site to get stock videos and footage. Finally, my name is Christian Ikena and I will see you guys in my next video.